Growing this plant is almost like a cheat code because it is so easy to grow. This is ornamental sweet potato vine, and it is one of the best plants for beginner gardeners or really anybody that just wants something that they don't need to worry about or fuss about. Now, most people think about this color, which is kind of this chartreuse or lime green color, but there are also some other really nice color combinations that you can get in this plant and different leaf shapes. Sweet potato vine can grow really well in containers or in landscape beds. Once you get it established, it can be really quite drought tolerant, or on the flip side, if you have an area that is very wet, including you can stick the roots down into a water feature or pond, they will grow there too. I just noticed this one has really cool backside. I love a pretty backside. If there is a negative thing about sweet potato vine is that it can kind of go crazy. And so be prepared if you do grow these to take the scissors to them about midsummer and cut them back if they're getting a little bit too out of hand. Personally, I'm just glad that they die in the wintertime, or else they'd probably take over the whole world.